I brought out the beast, and we're gonna go and try to find waterfall.
Dude, what is that bridge across there?
No way. You got that giant rock in the middle of it all.
Nice green. That means the river is close by.
All right, you guys, welcome back to the Jace. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I heard about an elusive waterfall. You must have an off-road vehicle to get to. It's a couple hours away from where I am. I've got some friends in town. They think they're up for an adventure. So I brought out the beast, filled them up with gas, and we're gonna go and try to find this waterfall in the middle of the desert. Hasn't rained in months, so we'll see if there's even a waterfall there, but we're gonna go and try to find it. So here we go.
All right, you guys, it's getting kind of crazy. We're in this like super old school neighborhood. It's getting a little bit more sketch. That's a good sign, right? Dude, what is that bridge across there? Do you see that thing? All right, guys, still in the middle out here. Super pretty though. Whee. Let's go and have just a little bit of fun along the way. Go up this?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's see what's up here.
I want to see sky.
You're about to. Oh, I'm so glad I turned my camera on.
Oh.
We are on 3 tires right now. The back left is not touching. This is a little skinny for a truck my size.
I don't think this is the original trail.
Oh, no.
We're definitely in a 4-wheeler trail.
I'm gonna go look and see if you can make it.
Through that pass right there, I don't know if I
No
can
way.
get through that.
No way.
Can we reverse up this?
You got that giant rock in the middle of it all.
It's a drop, but I think you'll make it.
You're good? Want to turn this way? Hard left? Yep. Just like that, folks. Just like that. Oh, I think we've got like 11 more miles of this.
taking a breather for a second. Okay, that's good enough. Now, we're actually getting into some nice green. That means the river is close by.
All right, so that got a little gnarly at a couple points, but what's cool is this river is right down there, and it's fairly unassuming how cool it is, not cool it is, whatever, but then you turn like this, and this is what it becomes. So pretty. All right, now we're hiking down this thing so that we can jump in to this. So, we didn't know if this existed. We weren't sure if there'd be water. We ventured hours out here. Come on, this is amazing. In the middle of the desert, still this beautiful waterfall. Oh, this is so great.
You're good, you go when you want.
Let's go. Sexy coming out of that water.
That was awesome.
That's awesome.
All right, next adventure.
Right guys, short little video. We made it to these falls. Super fun, jumping off, climbing up, scaling these. We had a blast. Get out there, go adventure. That's all I can say about that. Some more adventures are here, more adventures are here. Link in, you'll see more weird stuff I do with my kids and more adventures like this. See you guys.